Just imagine take a single selfie photo or a piece of artwork and turn in full animated video. Just few seconds, no editing skills, no complex software, just pure AI magic. Well, it's what Vivago promised. And today we are going to put to the test this step by step. Vivago is AI-powered video generator application, which is available for you on the desktop or mobile applications. Well, in its take your idea and turn them into dynamic short videos, whatever you want to do. Fantasy, cosplay, anime. Let's start with the basic photo to video. I like to do it's going inside my assets folder. And inside here, I already can see some of my work as well, some of my photos that I preloaded. Well, what we need to do is just click on uploads. If you don't have any assets or you just started, you can always just click on upload and upload a lot of different photos. Well, you can see I have a very fun collections already here. What I'm going to use right now is utilize this photo. I took this inside Disneyland. And I think it will be fun to enhance and send to my friends. So I'll go select this photo. And on the bottom, you can see generate video. Let's click on this. In here, you can see we have an image to video, text to video, effect to video, which we'll cover later. Right now, I just want to create these animations. Many times, all what I need to do, just have it my single image, and I can click generate. Of course, I can increase my durations. For example, let's make longer, 10 seconds. Or you can make shorter. As well, you can add a sound effect to this to enable. So after this, just click generate and it will take a little bit time to process. You maybe also notice right here, it's have a start and end frame, which is make this excellent way to create some animations or transformations. I put this to the test. Like in this video, you can see this is my first frame I took it. And this I took a last frame, only 2 shots was. And look on this animations. Look on this transformations. Smooth, nice, beautiful. If you don't have it your photos, you can generate here. Here is example. I was decide to create a princess kissing the frog prince. And there you go. Just put it prompt and you have the beautiful images that you can use it inside your animations. Like in this example, you can see. It's from that image we can create a fairy tale story. And you note the constraint just to this timeline. If you treat those images as a keyframe, you can deliver a very beautiful story very easy. Let me show you example. Right here you can see I used one image and a second image, and this is create this beautiful transition. So in my next video I took the last frame. Now I put your first and I put it another one. So now I have it 2 videos which I can combine and it will create seamless longer animations. And you can do exactly same with all different frames. You can create a beautiful continuing story without any interruption. This way you can eliminate the limitations of the time on your own video. But at the beginning, I also mentioned some of templates. Then you can just select which one to use it. For example, we can go with Phoenix Wing right here, or we can go with a uploaded video or photo if you need it, or you can click and select from assets you created before. After this, just click create video, maybe just add sound effect and you're ready. Look on this. This is photo I shot as a cyberpunk, and I think to add this special effect in the wings, it just brings much more to this photo. I think this one of my favorite, and I will send to my friend just to laugh on him. If you remember movie Zoolander, Merman, there's our I'm a Merman. I mean, this is a funny joke. Okay, here's something else. You want to create a viral video? Let me show you. Right here, this is a template. It's a water. Just imagine, what if you put it this one? You don't need to, you can say it's AI because it is kind of funny, but look at this. Now it's a water there, splashing and washing us away. I mean, it's look way real. They do have a lot of templates, but here's a teeny tiny secret. You not restrict to the templates only. I found a funnier way to do. So what I like to do, I'm going to the discovery, community animations. I see which one I like it. Like for example, right here, see, it's biting. Let's go click recreate. Then right here, you can see we have our first frame and we have a text. All what I need to do is just go click and add my own frame, for example, with my own face. And by the way, I found it's work very well if you want hiding, if you like extremely close up and you put it out, so that will create. And this is our result. Even with a sound, look at this. This is a first frame. I put it my second frame with my face, and there you go. Just put this on your social media. You'll get a lot of attention about this. Well, let me show you a few more. Like right here, Paparazzi. It's one, or right there. Look. Me and a tiger. It's another template. There's where it's again single image. I put it, select the template, and now I have it wild tiger and Disneyland trying to share with me a turkey leg and a pickle. So if you go and can click on elements, you can see you can upload it like 4 different elements. They do have some examples what you can do. But what I done, I went and I uploaded myself, park, bird, and just says, okay, generated me walking in a park. And look on this, what is created. So it took my photo right there. It took, I'm seriously, I was just putting random stuff like parakeet, okay? I put it some café. I put it sign frog throat. I don't know. And look on this, it's actually did very good. There you go. There's a parakeet right here. There's a sign from this. I mean, it is implement, even neon lights implement right here. See, right there, those neon lights like V was. Well, if you do interested in this application, I'll put a link down below for you to go try for yourself, see if you like it, if it's maybe something you want to experiment a little bit more. And of course, I want to say big thanks to the Vivago for sponsoring this video. All opinions, all experiments is my own. If you create some videos, please share, send me a link, show me what you created. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.